आज हमने द्विपक्षीय व्यापार को 2030 तक 2 गुना से भी अधिक बढ़ाकर $500 बिलियन तक पहुंचाने का लक्ष्य निर्धारित किया।
That was February 2025. There was optimism at the White House, ambition in the air, and a promise of $500 billion in trade. But what followed was anything but smooth. Over the next 12 months, US-India trade relations touched a new low. American President Donald Trump and his top lieutenants repeatedly accused India of unfair trade practices, calling India a dead economy, accusing Delhi of sponsoring the Ukraine war, and finally imposing a record 50% tariff on Indian products.
We charge them less, so how can anybody be upset?
Indian exporters were squeezed. Trade talks stalled. Public sparring escalated, and yet, behind the scenes, negotiations continued. Then on Monday, the breakthrough. First, an iconic India Today magazine cover, and then Trump announced the US-India trade deal, cutting reciprocal tariffs on Indian goods from 25% to 18%. He said Prime Minister Narendra Modi agreed to stop buying Russian oil, which would trigger the removal of an additional 25% penalty. The final tariff, 18%, lower than 34% imposed on China, 20% on Bangladesh, and 19% on Pakistan, and 19 to 20% on the big competitors from the ASEAN area. Prime Minister Modi responded swiftly, welcoming the move, saying he was delighted that Made in India products would now face lower tariffs in the United States. Indian exporters welcomed the move, saying the impact could be immediate with sharper pricing, stronger demand, and renewed momentum in America, India's biggest export destination. However, there's still the issue of when the lower tariffs kick in.
We expect it to happen very soon. Probably we are waiting for the executive order to come. And once the executive order comes, the final nitty-gritty will be known to us. But the sheer fact that tariff has come down so drastically is giving a lot of optimism to the Indian export sector.
But several big sticking points remain. The biggest being the politically sensitive agriculture sector, which Trump and the US Agriculture Secretary claim India will open up to American products. The Modi government has so far judiciously protected the sector in all free trade agreements.
भारत अपने किसानों के, पशुपालकों के और मछुआरे भाई बहनों के हितों के साथ कभी भी समझौता नहीं करेगा। और मैं जानता हूं व्यक्तिगत रूप से मुझे बहुत बड़ी कीमत चुकानी पड़ेगी, लेकिन मैं इसके लिए तैयार हूं।
Clarity is still needed on several other fronts, including India's import of Russian crude oil. In January, a fifth of India's foreign crude oil supply was from Russia, and winding it down without an economic cost is impossible. Certain products like steel, aluminium, copper, and auto parts attract duties under a special section. Similarly, pharma, some electronics, and aircraft parts are exempt. Question is whether these products will also attract 18% tariffs. Doubts are also being raised over the practicality of Indian products being charged 18% tariffs while American products enter India duty-free. The deal caps months of confrontation, grandstanding, and brinkmanship, and resets ties between two of the world's largest democracies. From a $500 billion vision to a tariff war and now a fragile truce, the promise is big, but the geopolitics is tricky. Bureau Report, Business Today TV.
If you like the video, do like, comment, share and subscribe.